Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I'd like to show you how you can switch between your personal and your team accounts within your Command mobile app. This will determine which opportunities, tasks, and contacts that you can access and market to from within your Command mobile app. So let's start by opening the Command mobile app. It's the top left-hand corner of this screen with the red background, white KW. If you haven't signed in recently, it will ask you for your Command username and password, and then it will trigger an MFA code or verification code over to your recovery email that you'll need to enter. After that, it should bring you right here to your Command mobile app dashboard. And from here, go ahead and click the name in the top left-hand corner. This will open the drop-down menu and allow you to choose either your personal account that you can see here at the top, indicated by the word personal, and that would be the contacts, opportunities, and tasks that are on your individual personal account within Command. You can see that it is chosen with the green check mark over to the far right. If you want to view your team opportunities, checklists, and contacts, then you can choose the team profile just below that by tapping the team name. Now you'll see the banner at the bottom saying that you've switched over to the team account. In the top left-hand corner, you no longer see the word indicated with personal. Now you can see the team name underneath your agent name. Now when you navigate through Command, any of the opportunities, contacts, and tasks that you view will be from that team account. If you have any questions about this or about any of your KW platforms, feel free to reach out to us. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.